Hi, I'm Subha, and in this video I will show you how I quickly created this math worksheets printable that I can sell on Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or turn this into a math workbook and sell on Amazon KDP. As you can see, it has 23 unique pages. All pages are professionally created and these are ready to go to sell on sites like Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, your own store, or you can create more pages and sell on Amazon KDP. You can see it has title and it has 35 double-digit math problems on each page, and in total I have created 20 pages of these math worksheets. At the end I also generated these solution pages. These are professionally created worksheets that you can confidently sell. Let me show you the software and how it works. I am using math worksheets generator. Let me show you. If I go to apps and math apps, I have access to this math worksheets generator. Pro version comes with more features than the front end version. Just access, it has multiple versions. You can generate a lot of worksheets using the front end version. In the Pro version, there are extra features like bulk clone, bulk delete, or color options. I think the front end version is sufficient for the kind of printable I just showed. Click on Access Now. I'm going to create a new collection, addition, double digit, and then create collection and click on the collection here. So now we have this page, and you can go to the settings, and here you can change the layout if you want to. You can select a different trim size like 5x8, 5.25x8, 6x9. For most kids books we use 8.5x11, so I will stick with standard option. Next, you can select the page numbers like page 1 or 1 of 100. I selected page 1. They show page margins so that I can add my title within the margins. Click on the add text, and here you can write your title like addition and add a bracket and double digit. Close the bracket. Here you can reduce the font size to something like 34. Hit enter and center line and just place it. Let me zoom in, place it here. So this is our page title. Next we can go to the math worksheet templates, and this is the addition templates. It also has subtraction, multiplication, division, step multiplication, and lattice multiplication. These are the pro features. In the front end version you will have basic like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I'm going to create the addition. So view all, and I have multiple options. Look and feel of the worksheets would be different based on the template. I'm going with the very first one, that is very basic and very simple one. So it has quickly added 10 rows into 6 columns. I don't want these 10 rows and 6 columns. I only want 6 rows and 5 columns, and then click update worksheet. Then I can just place it here, and then I can simply increase the grid item width. Here I can just drag, scroll down, so I can drag and place it like this. So now I have my page setup complete. Next I can simply duplicate using the clone page option. If you have Pro version, you can use the bulk clone. In the front end version you have the clone option. It will quickly duplicate the page. Now before duplicating, you need to change this into double digit. Just click on this and it will open the setting options. Here you need to change the operand range to 10 to 99, as we are going to create the double digit one. So operand range would be this one. You have also multiple options for operand settings, even random, show index, and index size, and there are a lot of options, but for creating this quickly I just use the operand range only, and then I reduce the column space here and increase the item width slightly like this, then pull it inside the margins. Now I can center line this. Once I am happy with my page setup, I will quickly go to clone and duplicate this page. The next page is totally unique. It has unique problems altogether. I can simply go and keep duplicating. To do this quickly, you can click on the fit option and just click on clone page, and it will quickly move to this next page, and you can keep duplicating, and every page would be different each time. So in this way we will create 20 pages really fast. 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we have 20 pages. All we need to do is generate solutions. Here is show solutions, generate solution, and it will quickly generate the solution pages. Once it says successfully generated solution data, you can simply click here and it will take you back to the page here. Here you can scroll down and see your solution pages. Like we have worksheets and the solution page is ready. You can go and download as either PNG, JPG or as PDF. It's ready to sell on Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers. And if you want to sell on Amazon KDP, you need to create more pages. The minimum page count for Amazon KDP is I think 24. So you need to keep page count in mind. So now we have our worksheet ready. Let's see. This is our edition worksheets. Next, you can upload these worksheets to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and generate mockups for Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, or any platform you want to publish this on. In the same chat, you ask them to generate title, subtitle, description, tags, etc. In this way, you can quickly create ready-to-sell printables using Math Worksheet Generator. And with the help of this single software, that is Math Worksheets Generator, I have generated well over 14,000 in book royalties from Amazon KDP, and I have started selling to these on Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy as well. So I will be sharing my results very soon. My main source is Amazon KDP because I turn these into full workbooks. I create more than 100 pages, and I also add subtraction, multiplication and division problems. So I create whole workbooks. The process is the same. It may take a bit longer than a simple printable, but it's working for me, and it can work for anyone who want to create high quality math worksheets or workbooks. If you want to check out Math Worksheet Generator, there would be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.